Welcome back to my channel. This is what we're doing today. We're going to make flaxseed, chia seed, leave-in air conditioner. This is really bomb.com. This is really good. It's working. I've been using this for the past 3 months now, and you guys will see before and after. I'm not promising when you use this tonight, your hair is gonna be all the way to your behindness. No, it doesn't work that way, but it's really working with patience and commitment. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. And to all our subscribers, thanks for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. And this is before, when I first started, before I started using it, I took a picture. And this is it. You can see the different, fuller, thicker hair of mine now. It's working, but it's going to take time. It's not going to be anything in 2 days, in 3 days, in 1 week, not even in 1 month, but you will see the difference. You will see the difference. And these are the few of our other products. It's available. Ankara fabric earring, beautiful, that you can wear to church, to party, to school, to anywhere. Really beautiful. And also we have our airband, Ankara fabric, beautiful, beautiful kente, Ankara, and many other colors too. So if you want to start to make yours, let's get started. These are the ingredients. We're going to need distilled water, chia seed, flax seed that we're going to use, and aloe vera gel. Also some oil, hemp seed, oxtail, biotin, vitamin E oil. We're going to need hydrolyzed wheat, and we're going to need coconut oil also. And the rest of the oil, flaxseed oil, cucumber oil, and organic olive oil. Everything is organic. And also, these are the essential oil. I'm going to use all this. You don't have to use this many, but hey, why not? When you get it, use it. And I'm going to use hyaluronic acid. Also, I don't know how to pronounce that for real. And I have a hair water, which I'm going to do tutorial on that. So these are just a botanic that I infused. So we're going to need, I'm going to put a 2 cup of distilled water in a pot. You're going to need a clean pot like that. And you let it warm, and 1 cup of flaxseed, and we're going to put it there. Then the chia seed, don't put a lot, just like a 1/4 or 1/8 of spoon, because chia seed is really tough. So it's not going to, if you put a lot, you're not going to get anything out. So we're just going to stir it just like so. And make sure you stir it, don't let it stick to the pot. And it started forming when you see boiling like that, and you will see the white on the surface. It's not messed up or anything. That is the gel. You can see the gel are coming now right now, and just make sure you stir it. You can add more water if it's too thick, which I did. I added distilled water. Distilled water will be fine. You don't want to use tap water. Distilled water is not expensive. If you buy it to Walmart, you might get it for $1.98, but some other store might be a little bit more. And you just keep on stirring just like so until you get the gel. You see, it's going to be like that. And I'm going to make a hyaluronic acid, just a little bit of 1/4 of a spoon, and I put hair water in it. I'll put it on the fridge to let it melt together. And after that, you take the chia seed and out, and we're going to strain it. You're going to need a container like that. And you don't have to wait until it's finished, because it might take about 10 minutes to finish. You can use spatula to stir it just like that, or spoon. So what I did is that I just put a little like that, and I just started doing some other thing. But if you have the time, about 10 minutes or so, or more than that, you can just do what I'm doing right now, but you don't have to. And after that, this is it. Actually, I saved the rest of those. I'm going to reuse it also. And you can see I have some little thing I'm going to drain it again, so that way I don't want all this sitting on my hair. So after that, I'm going to add my air water in it. Air water is just a botanic that I mix together a lot. I'm going to share how I do the water also, and everything here I'm going to use. I'm going to add biotin, oxtail. I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of each hydrolyzed wheat protein. I'm going to put everything in there together just like that. The oxtail is just it's 1 drop, biotin about a couple of drops, and I'm add everything together just like so, and it just mix it. And our essential oil tea tree, I'm gonna add a lavender, peppermint, rosemary, beautiful, beautiful. And I measure everything, so I just started pouring in everything. All the oils about 1 tablespoon each. It depends on how much you do. You can add more. And this is our hyaluronic acid, and I'm gonna put it just like so. And after that, I just mix everything together, and we're done. It's not going to take that long, and I'm just going to bottle it just like so. And if you make a lot, make sure if you have any opportunity, you can put something to make it not to spoil. But I kept my in a refrigerator. I've never had any issue with it, so I keep it in the refrigerator so that will be cool and ready. And I just bottle it just like that and put the cover on it. And I want to show you guys quick how I do it. It's just I just apply. I use it once a day. I put it just like that and let it sit. And I use my brush to brush it out. And after that, I will spray my water spray on it. This is really good. It's a botanic ear spray leave-in conditioner. It's really, really good. And then I will apply the oil also, and then the ear butter, which is available also on our store. I will put the link on the information box. And this is it right here. You can see that it's really my hair for life now. Beautiful. I can go out nothing like that, okay? So without even worry. I want to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and please don't forget to visit our online store. And please let us be friends on social media at Ronke Beauty. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. May the Lord Jesus Christ continue to bless us all.